Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Luce Anime Vanguard, updated. Open the app, sign in, and select Vanguard mode from the main menu to begin configuring your profile. Tap the settings gear to adjust stream quality and notifications, then link your account to external services for full features. Follow prompts to customize themes, enable subtitles, and save your layout before starting playback. Repeat steps if you switch devices to keep settings consistent. Start by learning the main screens: Home, Vanguard, Library, and Settings. Swipe left or right to switch sections and tap icons to open detailed views. You search to find shows by title or tag and filter results with genre or release type. When watching, tap the player to access captions and quality controls, pinch to zoom for layout, and long press episodes to add to your watch list for easy access. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Droplet Oala water bottle is great for long binge sessions and keeping you hydrated while watching. I keep one on my desk and it fits beside controllers and remotes. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab yours. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Personalize your experience by choosing themes, font sizes, and subtitle styles in settings. Toggle low data mode to conserve bandwidth when on mobile networks, and set preferred stream quality for Wi-Fi and cellular separately. Use profile avatars and nicknames to keep multiple user setups distinct. Export or backup your layout to restore on another device, and test playback after changes before you watch a full episode to ensure subtitles and audio sync correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.